Do you want to know how you can add your YouTube channels to your Fliki AI profile? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add your YouTube channels on your Fliki AI profile. Go ahead and open Chrome OS browser on your PC, then open Fliki AI. Now, log into your account and click on Account, which is on the left-hand side. After you click Account, click on your profile. You can see YouTube channels ID. Write down your ID name, and you can even add a lot of multiple email or your YouTube channels. So after you write down your channel name, click Save, and then you can see that your YouTube channel ID or name will be displayed on your profile. Let me show it to you once again. Open Fliki AI on your browser, log into your account and click Account, which you can see on the top left hand corner. Click on Profile and you can see YouTube channels. You can write down the name of your channel over here. And you can also add another channel name and whatever you want. So go ahead and click write down your YouTube channels, click Save, and then your YouTube channel's ID will be displayed on your profile. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.